Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty but hearts are full anyway. Hey. Playing like children and love like R&J. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, fall on my bed. I don't care if loving you over my head. You talk to me like breeze, running free, beautiful images everywhere. You take a picture of us kissing in cars, it makes my day 10 times better. Yeah, playing like children and love like R&J. You were too good.
Cool me. So my loves, I am back and oh my god, I have Anyway, let's unbox together. Aki, things are very expensive. What? Because I had a budget of 5,000 and imefika hapo nikaanza kubuy other things za nyumba zenye nataka. So imekuja almost 11k, but it's okay. So guys, let's unbox together what I have bought. So let's start with this one. I hope you can see me. So let's start with this one. So I have bought eggs. Yeah, my egg stock ilikuwa imeisha. Actually hizi nimebuy kwa just outside the supermarket. So kulikuwa na bananas, and then I have grapes, yeah. And then oops, I have strawberries, and then I have mangoes, pineapples, and 2 passion fruits. Guys, when I tell you I was on a budget, believe me, I was on a budget. Then these are the one I have. Hakuna kitu ya maana hapa, ni tu nyanya, pilipili hoho, onions and viazi. So that's what we have. And then now sasa zenye nimebuy super. So heavy. Hadi wamenifungia na carton. I have like 2 cartons. This size is, I don't know, you can see. Yep. So my god, mbona inaanguka? Oh my god, Aki, I am starving, but I have to unbox with you guys so that I can prepare something. Yeah, so this is what I got from the supermarket. So I have foil, aluminium foil, and then cling film. The reason I have got this one is because I know very soon I'll start baking, cooking using the oven. Yeah, I have also bought this crackle, queen cakes, soda, yogurt. Gosh. Oh, this 1 liter ice cream. I've also bought Del Monte. Because can you even see? Can you see me? Yeah. So I have also bought another not Del Monte but yogurt. I bought rice. Hey, this is now the characters. Tomato paste, soy sauce. Okay guys, imagine right now it's 10:30 and I left the house at 7:40 before 8. Nime spend hours I must calculate like kama hii soy sauce, that small one was 100 and I think 15 and this one was 270. Now that one was around 250 ml and this one is 623 ml. So ikiwa mara mbili hata inakuwa cheaper. You get my point? Like lazima na kwanga hapo na calculator. Actually watu wanapanga wakiniangalia but I'm like that's my money bra. You know. Then I have salt. I've bought milk. Another milk, sugar. I've also bought this flavored milk. This determination. And then I'll start baking, baby. Now at least I have a big kitchen space. I can start cooking chapatis and all that. Actually nitabuy hiyo rolling stick ya kupika chapati, but as for now nitatumia kupika pancakes. Yeah, that's what this first box had. Now on to the next box. So I have these insect mostly
You were fine all this time, I was inside out. Put my heart in your hands and it came back round.
Oh God, let me enjoy my
Didn't think that you'd fallen so deep. Didn't know that I had it in me. Guess my sanity breaks away too easy.
Bring it to a halt, back down. Bring it to a halt, you're back and it's all your fault. Back down. Bring it to a halt, you're back and it's all your fault. Back down, back down, back down, back down. That's how it was and that's how it is. Back.
Someone is drilling the wall. Oh God, can you hear me? So let me increase my voice. So I have decided to buy this laser chalk.
Cause those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, I get when looking down from the sky.
Then zile straw kali unaweza ingiza ndani, and then I really love this glass. Acha niweke kwa sink. I've also bought this cake. Aki nishaikula hii cake, ilikuwa so sweet. Siku ingine I've decided I'll get it. I've also got this cute like bathroom nini. Nataka za kuhang. Naona zikikaa ass. Za kuhang nini. Hizo stuff za kuoga. And then I have bought chicken. I've bought chicken. How am I going to? It will break the eggs. Oh, chicken. Beef sausages. Beef sausages and kuweka hapa kwa balcony for my hanging. Now I had bought two. I haven't seen the other one. I had bought two of them. So za kuweka hapa hivi. Nimeona rooftop ni mbali, and then I have decided I'll be washing my clothes. In my previous house I had a lady come clean because like kupanda stairs ilikuwa inanishinda. So at least this house now has a balcony. Nitatengeneza hapo. I will be washing my clothes, then I'll be hanging them there. And then now we have this. And that is it, guys. That is all that I have. Let me show a video. Guys, I'm just going to prepare something. I don't even know if I'm going to do the fridge organizing, but yeah. Let me show you what I got. Oh gosh. These are niwezekelea hapo. Ni za bafu. Hizi ni zile za bafu. And then the other ones ndo hizi. Oh my god, just look at that. Yeah, the other ones. Yeah, so guys, let me prepare something and we'll see. But just look at that. This really looks like a beautiful mess. So guys, I don't even know where to start. I'm so, oh my god, but I think I'll just start with this because it's a kitchen cleaner. Then I'm going to clean the fridge with it and like just to wipe it, and then I'm going to try to use this this stuff, sponge cloth. Yeah, let's see. Oh, they are actually, so that's gani. Which color should I take? Let me take the pink one. Oh, but excuse me, Aki. Green and pink. Kama tulianza kuachana. Let me just take the green one. Why am I even struggling and makasi? The rest I can store them for later. I'm going to different one. So yeah, I'll just use this one. It looks more aesthetically pleasing. Yeah, so let's start cleaning the fridge and organizing it, guys. Here is the fridge. Niliwasha tu jana to make sure it's working. Aki, I really need to buy a new stand ya hii simu because every time aka kakitu kanatoka and it's becoming to bore me. Because hata itaniangushia simu nivunjie and I don't have money. Kwanza sasa hivi venye nimesota niko na hasira Pro Max. So this is what jana I went out. This was my balance ya drink and this is what I had. Oops, water. So you can see the fridge is still like new kabisa. So I'm just going nataka kuweka music. So naeka music. So unaona bado the fridge is still new. So I want to remove these things. I don't know if you can see these stuffs here. I assume zinafaa kuwa zinatolewangwa. I think ni za kuhold hizi plates in their place when transporting. That's my thinking. Anyway guys, I'm so bored. Let me just put music and I'm not going to talk as the video continues. Nataka kusikiza music so that it can motivate me. And my TV is taking like forever kuwaka. Hizi stuff zinabo kutoa, by the way. It's not even funny. As in fun as I thought it will be. Ama ni venye niko na njaa. You should just take something. Actually, the fridge is so big. Mimi nitakuwa naweza kunini? Ku maintain shopping kila mwezi hapa. It's so big. Like, this is, imagine the freezing unit. And then kuna huku chini. Look. Hey, even the vitu zimebaya, I don't think zitatoshea. But anyway, I think most of this part itakuwa inajazwa na cereals because I want to buy a pressure cooker na hizo tins zenye nitakuwa na prepare cereal. Hata I thinking of buying a jiko, but nimesikia gas zinashuka to 300 by June. I was thinking of buying a jiko yenye weekend time kama sahi. I can just wash it and then nianze kuboil na pressure cooker. Hizo stuff mbosho, because I really love cereals. Napenda cereals sana. And also I've noticed these biscuits, mbona hata nimeweka nini hivyo na nini ya YouTube ni hivi. These biscuits nilipewa kama discount ati nikibuy fridge. Naambia mtu nikibuy hizi electronics. Naambia mtu anipe discount, ananipea biscuits. And where I work we make them, so I don't even really need them. So guys, let me just listen to music and then I can just do a video quick. Juu nikiongea sita nini. guys, I've decided to change into a comfortable outfit. You can hear the music in the background. Yo, Mahayo, Bo and Shayo, and Gibo and Shayo, and Gibo and Shayo. Let me change. I'll see you guys during the fridge organization.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shape my smile. Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times